Well, hey guys, welcome back to Longhorn Fabrication. I want to give you a real quick toolbox tour of my Husky hutched cabinet, and then also the non-hutched with the wood work table. Now, both of these are really great tables. They're in the matte black. They were purchased from Home Depot. I can't remember exactly how much we paid for them, but they are really, really great toolboxes. So let's take a tour, take a look, and see if maybe these toolboxes might be right for you. Now, when I started looking for toolboxes, I'll be honest with you, I was really sold on the Harbor Freight U.S. General toolboxes. I've actually got the blue cart over here, and I love that cart. But we needed some more storage space, and so this is what I ended up with. This is all the matte black finish, which I think looks really sharp. It's got the slow close drawers. I'll just show you a little bit. Nice and easy. They close by themselves. All of these come with mats. And they come with toolbox liners, and just kind of show you around a little bit. These are original. These are Craftsman back in the 90s, back when they were, good. I actually found a brand new set of these. These are all brand spanking new sockets from the 90s that have never been used. So, anyways, this is how deep this drawer is. Plenty of room for deep well sockets. I've had more weight in this drawer than even now, and the drawers do a wonderful job at closing by themselves. So very happy with that. This drawer is the narrowest drawer, the shallowest drawer. I keep layout tools here. I've got some picks. I've got pencils, markers, those kinds of things. This is kind of my layout drawer. I didn't push it hard enough. Working our way down, we've got, and actually it looks like I've had a rat. There, sorry about that. So, I've got my Tecton locking pliers, adjustable wrenches, those kinds of things. I love those drawers. Got some Milwaukee locking pliers. Probably too many locking pliers. Tecton hammers, rubber hammers, mallets, dead blow hammers, ball peen hammers. I love my Tecton hammers. This drawer, got my Tecton sockets. That way, if I need them on the go, I can just grab them. Got 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. I've got some large Tecton locking pliers. I've got some different sets. Again, if I need to grab it and go, I can grab these. These are wrench sets that are here. Again, all Craftsman nut drivers, Tecton screwdrivers. These are Craftsman. I mean, listen, I grew up with Craftsman. I know Craftsman's not what they are now, or not now what they used to be, but these are the tools I used to grow up with, and I'm not going to go into details how I found them, but I'm so happy that I found this set of Craftsman tools. Gear wrench. Impact. I've got my Tecton Impact sets. I've got these two sets if I need to grab them and go. This is a more complete set. I keep most of my Milwaukee cordless tools in here. As you can see, I've been using them, so I don't have them in here, so they're empty right now. So the pegboard is really nice. I try to stay organized, but it doesn't always work that way. It does come with this light right here. It is rechargeable, but when you pull the cord off, it's battery powered as well, so you can take it with you. It's not a super nice light. It gets the job done. So what I use, these are the Harbor Freight lights. I love those things. So when I'm not using them, they're charging right now, but they're also lighting my toolbox. Normally I've got my welding jacket here. That's where I keep my welding hoods. I try to stay organized, but it's not super duper organized right now. Got some creepers. I've got my sound system here. Probably my favorite part is I've got this sound system, another speaker back there, hooked into this phone. I run Spotify, Pandora, whatever, running out there. We're thumping most of the time. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so there's the I think it's a 72-inch table with hutch. Now let's look at this. I think this guy's like a 52-inch or something. I've got different bits for screw guns, nut drivers, those kinds of things. Just different, hairpins, cotter pins, hose clamps, PTO, snap pins, different drill bits. I like to be able to see exactly what I'm looking at as far as drill bits are concerned. I normally have my die grinder up here. This is storage. I think that's my drill doctor. Reciprocating saw blades, jigsaw blades, scrapers, files, alignment tools. So these are manual impacts. I've got some specialty torques, different things like that. These are torque wrenches, 3/8, ½ inch, and then the bigger ½ inch. This is the little bitty. This guy's just so cute. I mean, I'm not gonna open him up, but okay. Woodworking stuff. Now, one of the things that you have to worry with all toolboxes is this liner moves, and as you can see, this liner has slid. I need to get some adhesive to put on the back of that to keep it from moving, but I don't do a whole lot of woodworking, but this is my pocket hole stuff, and I got some brad nails, stuff like that. Kind of my junk drawer. These are the handles that goes on the side. I don't clearly have the handles on the side, so I didn't want to throw them away. Here they are. I've got some welding parts and pieces, contact tips. We go through a lot of those, and so it's just nice that way I can tell a student, hey, right here, here's the contact tip, and they know where they are. But for the most part, they don't touch these tools. These are tools that upper level kids mess with, or I get to use. Lighters, heat gun, kind of my electrical gear. More electrical fuses. You never know what's going to come in here. Shrink tubing, different attachments. I've got a stapler. Those are snap ring plier sets. This is a seal puller, doing hubs, things like that. And then this is Dremel. This is my Dremel, all the different attachments, the little drill press that comes with it or that you can buy. And so that's what's there. So I'm very happy with these toolboxes. A lot of space. I think it's a good quality. Again, don't judge my junkiness, but this is a lot of space, and I do think that the value and the build quality of this is very nice. This magnet, it's not quite as powerful as I'd like it to be, but let me show you with the hutch down. And that locks up at the end of the night. So I'm very happy with it. And really that hutch is that's what sold me. I was going to go with the U.S. General, but that hutch is really what sold me. And I know Harbor Freight now has the Icon, but let's face it, the Icon is a lot more than what this was going to cost, and so I was very happy with this quality. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching. If you found that interesting, please like the video. Try to respond to comments. And if you want to follow along here in the shop, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys very much, and we'll see you next time.